Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to automatically assign tasks to a person within Clickup. So this is actually pretty simple automation to do once you have it ready to go. So I'm currently on one of my lists. I am going to go over here to automate and click the automate, not the drop down. And then you have some really basic automations. Always add watchers or always add assignees. So I'm going to always assign tasks to myself. All right. There we go. I'm going to refresh this page actually, and then let's go ahead and test this out. So we do have one automation here, and it's nice that it gives us that little note. I'm just going to say how to automatically assign watchers to ClickUp. It's probably a good idea. And there we go. It automatically assigned it to myself. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe.